Once again, good morning class. This is teacher Joker from Wajugatur School. I am teaching under the English program and also the homeroom teacher of grade 5/1. Okay class, so this Monday and the date for today is 26th of July 2021. Our subject is math and our topic for today is we're going to do an activity about multiplying fractions. Okay, so let's start our lesson for today. Okay, class, so let's start answering your activity on your workbook. So are you ready, class? So we have here the fractions to be solved. 1 over 6 times 7 over 8. Okay, so how are we going to solve this one? We have many methods in answering or solving mathematics problem. And I just would like to say that you can use any methods in answering, okay, as well as the answer is correct. So I have here an example of methods that we can use in solving this problem. So again, 1 over 6 times 7 over 8 is equal to 7 over 48. Okay, how did we solve this one? Just multiply the both numerator and the denominator. So 1 times 7 is equal to 7. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. And since this fraction cannot be reduced or simplified, then the answer or the fraction will remain as is. Okay, class? Therefore, 1 over 6 times 7 over 8 is equal to 7 over 48. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Okay, number 2 problem, we have here 3 over 5 times 5 over 9. Okay, the answer written in there is 1/3 or 1 over 3. So how did we get that answer? Let's take a look over here. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Okay, that's where we got 15 over 45. But since the number 15 and 45, they have greatest common factor, and their greatest common factor is 15. Therefore, we're going to divide 15 by 15. So 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3. Okay, therefore the answer there is 1/3 or 1 over 3. So therefore 3 over 5 times 5 over 9 is equal to 1 over 3 or 1/3. Okay, so let's proceed in number 3. In number 3, we have here the fractions 4 over 9 times 8 over 9. So again, multiply both numerators and denominators. So 4 times 8 is equal to 32. And 9 times 9 is equal to 81. Okay. This fraction cannot be reduced. Okay, the fraction cannot be simplified or reduced, so the answer will remain as is. Therefore, 4 over 9 times 8 over 9 is equal to 32 over 81. Okay, class? So that's all for number 3. Now let's have number 4. So the fractions in number 4 are 13 over 15 times 15 over 13. Okay, so it's just a reciprocal of the other one. So how are we going to solve that one? Here's the steps. Okay, so 13 over 15 times 15 over 13 is equal to 1. Oh, how did we solve this one? Okay, again, multiply both numerator and denominator. 13 times 15 is equal to 195. 15 times 13 is equal to 195. Okay, as you can see, both numerator and denominators got the same number. Okay, and if we're going to divide that one or simplify that one, the answer will be 1. Okay, that's why the answer is 1. Therefore, 13 over 15 times 15 over 13 is equal to 1. Okay, class? So now I would like you to proceed in answering your workbook or activity on page 21. Okay, so multiply the fractions. We are finished already, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to continue answering number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, class? So that's for your activity today. Answer number 5, 6, 7, and 8. But kindly write the answer in number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So that's all for today, class. I hope you understood our lesson for today. But if in case you have any question or more questions about the lesson, you are free to message in our group line. Okay? So see you again this afternoon for our English. Goodbye.